Every budding entrepreneur dreams of acquiring competitors and new customers while scaling successfully. But what happens when reality hits? For Marco Merkonjic, director of sales at Trufan, those dreams come with significant hurdles and complexities. Trufan began its journey focused on leveraging social data to empower marketers with actionable insights. But scaling quickly became the priority. Marco's mission is clear: attract modern SaaS buyers and build a dynamic sales team capable of high conversion rates. Balancing proactive and reactive strategies, Marco believes hiring decisions should correlate with lead demand, not merely growth metrics. Initially hindered by HubSpot's limitations, Marco identified the urgent need for a more streamlined, user-friendly CRM solution. Transitioning to close allowed Marco's team to reclaim precious time and eliminate confusion with messy data and inefficient platforms. Marco emphasizes that while cost matters, usability and team adoption are far more crucial in selecting the right tech. Critical features like custom fields and account-level notes within close boosted efficiency, ensuring the team could focus on prospects. With exciting acquisitions on the horizon, Marco envisions building a unified brand that empowers marketers to make smarter decisions.